Let me give a brief introduction to the Perek in Makkos, Perek in Aloka in the second Perek, which focuses on the topic of murder, particularly unintentional murder. We know that if a person kills intentionally, b'mezid, that they do not go to an Ir Miklat. If they're witnesses, Eidim and Hasra, they would get killed. Only when one kills b'shogeg do we say that a person kills unintentionally, that at times they will go to galus. We'll see that it's not always. At times there will be something as an ones, a complete accident, where there's no reason to assume that the killer had to expect the accident would happen, and in such case the killer would go free. There actually are three types of shogeg. We have the shogeg, which is the karov l'ones, where an unintentional killing, which is close to being an ones, close to being unintentional, where the killer would go free. We have the pure shogeg, where one who kills unintentionally. However, there's a slight pshia, a negligence involved. In such a case, the killer would still go to galus. And then we have a shogeg, which is karov l'mezid, an unintentional killing which borders on mezid, where in such a case the killer does not go to an Ir Miklat, but rather we would treat it as a standard murder case. And that being said, the goel adam can kill him anywhere. The Mishnah is going to present a series of three cases, two sets of three. Three cases that you would be going to galus, and three cases where one would not go to galus. The Mishnah captures this rule as follows. That if a person would be, if the action would be derech yirida, in a downward motion, then they would go to galus. But if it would not be in a downward motion, they would not go to galus. They would not go into an Ir Miklat and go to exile. So what are these three cases? We'll see more in the Mishnah, but notice there are two sets of three. Again, notice, take a pause if you'd like to read each set of three cases on the right and on the left. Just to close, that there are those that want to explain that the progression of the cases in the Mishnah is really a lo zu afzu, that each of these cases really has a greater chiddush that you would not get if you didn't say each of the cases we would not know something. If you'd like to take a pause and read through these points from Tosfos, one can do that for extra credit.